Hey guys, this is the Adidas Ultra Boost 5. Today we'll not be cleaning it, but we'll be lacing this shoe. So come, let's lace this shoe. So first we'll remove the laces from the shoe. This shoe is very beautiful, as you can see. It has a different bright shades and colors which normal shoes usually don't have. It is also very comfortable when you wear it. I would recommend any type of person, like not only running, but if you're walking, daily wear, anything, this is a very nice shoe to wear. Now let's remove the laces from the other shoe. Today we will be lacing them with more thicker and more whiter laces than these ones which I'm removing right now. I'll show you the difference right now. So these are the new ones which I've kept over here, and these are the old ones. So as you can see, these ones are a bit thinner than the new ones. These might look good at the end because they are a bit chunkier laces. Now we'll put the end of the lace in the bottom loophole of the shoe and get it back on top. Make sure both the laces are equal. Fix any messed up place while you're going through the lacing. Now take any right or left and put it through the second loophole, and take the other which one you have taken and put it through a loophole. Make sure you follow the same pattern, or you do the right first, then the left, or the right later. Do like this type of fixes like how I'm doing right now, because it will give you a more cleaner and neat look at the end. Now put it through the hook of the tongue. Take another lace and put it through the hook of the tongue. Make sure it comes out neat. Otherwise, just do it again. It's only for like 10 seconds. Now to not tie it, just take the laces a bit back. I have taken them a bit too much back, but you can take how much ever length you want. Then I'm just fixing these laces. I'm just putting them inside of the shoe to make it look neat. As you can see, it looks clean. Now we'll lace the other shoe. Now as you can see, both the laces are put on the shoe. They look good. Thank you for watching this video.